This is the I Ching's answer. Omen.
The circumstances are perfect for you to carry out your plan.
Advice.
There are three types of beneficial friends. This has been known since ancient times. Honest friends, friends who listen and understand, and friends from whom you can learn. This doesn't only refer to people, but also to thoughts. If someone lies to you just to use you, they are not a good friend. This is especially true today with social media and mass communication.
Symbol.
Rivers are born from small drops gathering together. An aircraft seeks headwinds to gain elevation. It is time to cross the great river.
The image.
You find an image of a Chinese carriage with a deer beside it, carrying two seated people holding a box full of coins. Another person pushes their cart, making their journey comfortable. The deer and box of coins symbolize fortune and good work. The two people holding the box represent like-minded individuals planning their destiny together. The person pushing the carriage signifies opportunity arriving, and you take it.
Hexagram 42. G. To enrich, increase, benefit. This is an hexagram of July, unfavorable in spring and autumn. The predominant stage.
Those in high positions enrich the people during G times. Take this jar, fill it. You'll need it for your journey. A photographer invests in equipment, and an athlete in training, gear and food. Invest now in what you require. Enhance or increase what will soon become your arc during the flood. The snow goose finds strong headwinds, very good fortune. Pilots know that headwinds are necessary to gain elevation. Governments, churches, and religions should always be willing and attentive to their members. Neglecting this is akin to burning their ships. There are three types of beneficial friends. Honest ones, those who listen and understand, and those with knowledge, who could be your mentors.
The thunder is coming, waking up life. It quakes the earth and heaven. Unleash the thunder in you and move on to life. Like and subscribe. The mobile or mutable lines for your hexagrams video is right below on the description. The complete list and table of hexagrams is also in the description. Next, interpretations related to love, laboral development, inner development, and social networks. About love.
The subject in question is someone who tends to give. If you're similar, you'll undoubtedly plan your future together. If you have an admirer, they'd greatly appreciate you acknowledging their attentions. If the subject has been receiving attention, they should start considering whether they are willing to reciprocate. Giving to those who have nothing ends in celebration. Your admirer will appreciate your attentions. The subject who accepts being the recipient must remember to reciprocate. Like-minded individuals plan their lives together.
About work and business.
When something is already bearing fruits, it's time to increase it. Invest part of your profits to generate more gains. If you're an employee, a pleasant surprise will arrive soon. This hexagram has potent development affinity. It is like being in a power zone. Any business or project will succeed. Celebrate or thank those who help you to amplify the effect further. The opportunity arises and you seize it. Invest in the future. Enrich what is already benefiting you. Win over your people. Celebrate them, and you'll gain prestige. Your promotion, raise, or new job is waiting for you to approach and ask, or simply to receive it. The subject is in a momentum zone.
About personal development.
The power zone also signifies a purification zone. It's time to leave behind bad practices or habits, to lighten your load and to go farther. Let go of all the old and make a space for what the future will bring. It is time to cross the great river. It is time to embark on that great project. Freeing yourself from dead weight like bad practices or habits increases your gains or progress. Expressing gratitude to those who have supported you makes you an advanced individual. It is time to execute that great project. Invest in what will help you in the future.
Networks and social media.
It is time to upgrade your equipment. Any improved tools bring multiple benefits. Similarly, if you increase or enhance the support for your team or followers, you'll see your rewards multiply further. This hexagram has excellent affinity, or chi, for content related to contests and raffles, prizes, and interactions that reward your audience. By doing so, you'll see your benefits grow even more. Investing in equipment lets you take your projects farther. Celebrate your staff, recharge them with energy and rewards. Dedicate your time and reward your followers. Surround yourself with honest, understanding, skilled, or experienced individuals.
Your likes and comments is like chi that transforms into good karma. Subscribe and share.
The snow goes, finds strong headwinds, very good fortune.